No one's an island. No one can do it all alone. We need each other. It's so much harder on your own, working together. There's nothing we cannot achieve. Cooperation is the key, I believe. Sharing each challenge, sharing ideas one by one, facing each problem can be exciting, can be fun. Building together, we make a plan and see it through. There is no limit to what we can do. With teamwork, 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 gotta have it. Teamwork, 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 yeah! Teamwork, 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 gotta have it. Teamwork, 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 teamwork. Friends stick together, helping each other every day, searching for answers. 'Cause side by side we'll find a way, trusting in others. That is the way we get it done. Remember the motto, one for all and all for one. With teamwork, 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 gotta have it.
Teamwork, yeah.
Teamwork, 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 yeah.
Teamwork,
Teamwork, teamwork.
teamwork.